Well, the top tip is a gentleman would ask a lady to dance, and he would offer his right hand, and the lady would accept with her left. If she said no, that was considered to be very rude indeed. Without, I should imagine, a very good reason. Secondly, it would be considered ill-mannered to dance with the same person more than twice. And that would be because you are then ignoring the other wonderful people who are in the room. So, one, ask people to dance. Make sure you, if a leader, offer your right hand. And there's a hangover on that. People think you should do the left because it's the side of the heart. It's got nothing to do with that. That seems to be interpretation. But it's very much to do with going right back to the idea, the history of the handshake, and that's a contract. So that we offer right hand to right hand, invariably. But I think they're two very, very good rules. But also, what I like about that question is how you dance, which is very much a tip. Another tip is you should not bring attention. The man should not bring attention to himself. So we go back to medieval and we lend our energy to the sun. So it's not about us, it's about the sun. We lend our energy to the sun and we dance in a line, in a farandole, in this linked line which denotes community. Well, we get lines in Long Ways to Progressive. So we are a community, we're a group within it. So we go back to medieval again. By lending our energy, we obviously have a belief system that the sun will rise the following day, and we've played a part in that, and that's called sympathetic magic. So when a gentleman asks a lady to dance, she is his sun. It should be about her, not about him. May I have the pleasure to have... Can I have the pleasure of you? Not you of me. I am going to attend to you. Be a good servant. So likewise, medieval, likewise with, I think, Regency, when you ask someone to dance, you make it about them. Jump forwards, and we get Strictly. Well, what are we now seeing? We're seeing ballroom dancing. We're seeing fabulous leaders, all our wonderful, dancers, the professional dancers, learning, teaching. It's the romanticism is in the lead and follow in the rules. So they're the tips. So offer with the right, accept with the left. Don't dance too often, more than twice with the same person. And when you dance, don't make it about you. Make it about your partner.